Hey Muse Mamas, and welcome back to another Muse Mondays video. If you don't know, we drop a new video every single Monday, so subscribe and hit that notification bell to make sure you know when we drop our next one. Today's video is about our 3C4A texture. This hair is available as bundles, closures, and closure wigs. This hair has a corkscrew curly texture, which, just like natural hair, needs to be kept moisturized. All of our curly textures, except for 4B, 4C, come as tight coils. For defined corkscrew curls like these, finger detangle the hair lightly when it's wet. For undetectable, natural-looking curls, we recommend brushing with a Denman brush when wet. After styling the curl pattern, use a moisturizing leave-in product and voila! This hair can be styled just like your own hair and used with the same products. All Muse hair can be bleached and dyed without the curl pattern changing or loosening, and can be heat styled. Yes, you guys heard correctly. The 3C4A hair can be flat ironed, curled, blow dried, all of that. But just like your own hair, without protection, it can be damaged. Make sure you use heat protectant spray and up to medium heat so that you don't loosen the curl pattern. We recommend the Silk Elements Mega Silk Heat Protection Spray for this texture. It's time for the heat test. So now I'm going to take this piece of hair and show you guys how I go from corkscrew curls to straight. Please note that I highly recommend you wash the hair and blow dry it before flat ironing it, because you'll get much more sleek and way better results than this. But for time's sake, I'm going to save that for a different video, and right here I'm just going to show you how to take it from the coils. These pieces I already just kind of fluffed out and played with by finger detangling it while it was dry. I'm gonna go ahead and spray some heat protectant on that and divide it out so that I can pass over it a few times with the flat iron on medium heat. So right here you can see where I've gone over with the flat iron about 2 to 3 times on medium heat. With this method, the texture does not get sleek straight, so if you want to achieve a sleek straight look, definitely wash and blow dry the hair prior to heat styling. With this piece next to it, I did one more pass on high heat, and you can see it responded to that really well. So this is what the hair looks like when it's been flat ironed about 5-6 times on medium to high heat. Again, this is not the optimal result. And now we're going to do part 2 of the heat test. Now that you've seen how it can get when it's pretty straight, we're going to see if the curls will revert when it's touched with water. And this mix I have right here is just a mix of leave-in conditioner and water. Again, this is not the optimal result. The optimal result is when you wash the hair and blow dry it prior to straightening. But again, that's going to be in a different video. So this is when you flat iron the hair straight from coils. And now it's the moment of truth. Did the hair stand the heat test after being flat ironed on medium high heat 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times? We're going to see if the curls revert now. And the answer is yes! Muse 3C4A hair is heat friendly. With proper care and proper technique, this hair can be flat ironed on medium to high heat with heat protectant spray, and it will revert back to the original texture. For those of you wondering how long the hair actually is, I'm about 5'5½", almost 5'6", and this 22-inch 3C4A texture bundle comes to about my waist hip area when it is straight. When the hair is curly, it reaches right under my boobs, so about bra strap length. This hair can be sewn in as bundles, ordered as or made into a wig, or used as clip-ins. Though this versatile texture can be flat ironed, we recommend keeping it in the curly state to keep the curls healthy for as long as possible. This texture is available up to 22 inches as bundles and up to 16 inches as a closure. Alright guys, if you have any questions about our 3C4A hair, leave it down in the comments below and I'll make sure to get back to you. Like this video if you want to see more texture videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, use MUSE.